Okay, Matt's gonna do the cinnamon challenge. Here's the cinnamon.
I watch videos on this. I heard it tastes like dirt and stuff.
Probably does. Not dry.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Eee! Yucky! Does it taste like dirt?
It dries up your mouth.
I had a DP somewhere. Where'd my DP go? I had a DP. It was right there. Does it hurt? Does it burn?
Yes.
Do you need something to drink?
Yes.
I bet you do.
Kind of sucks. It dries up your mouth. Give her some water.
Yeah, I can smell it too.
Yeah.
Ew.
That was horrible. Get on my shirt. You get on my shirt?
Nuh-uh. You need it on your shirt.
Oh. I think we're done.
Okay. And that concludes Matt's cinnamon challenge. Thank you.